Iceland is an island nation located in northern Europe between the Greenland Sea and the northern Atlantic Ocean. It is northwest of the United Kingdom and has a strategic location between Greenland and Europe. Iceland is special because of its volcanoes and its glacier, and they are the reason that why it's famous. Tourism is always a huge economic source of Iceland because there are a lot of people is attracted by this special site. The highest peak in Iceland standing 2,119 meters over sea level. The current population in Iceland is 333,963 as of May 14, 2017, and the median age in Iceland is 36.3 years. The population density in Iceland is only 3 per square kilometer. Almost 80% of the country is uninhabited, and much of its terrain consists of plateau, mountain peaks, and fertile lowlands. From 1975 to 2008, the warming rate in Iceland was 0.35 degree per decade, which is substantially greater than the globally average warming trend, about 0.2 degree per decade. To the end of 21st centuries, the warming rate is projected to be 0.22 degree per decade, yielding a warming of 1.9 degree at the end of the century. Precipitation is projected to increase on average by 5% at the end of 21st century, and the wind speed is become slower during the years. And the recent measurements show that the ice cap, which have an average thickness of less than 50 meters, sank by approximately 13 meters at the last decade. Land in Iceland is rising at a pace of as much as 1.4 inches per year in certain areas as a result of climate change. According to a new study, the melting of the country's glacier reduced pressure on the land below and allowed the surface to rise. Because of global warming, the ice mass melted accelerated, and it caused land rising faster and faster. The danger is that the increased melting and uplift could lead to a further uptick in volcanic activity. As the planet suffers an increasingly climate, a rise in Iceland magma level could spike volcanic activity. The massive weights of glacier cause significant pressure on the earth below, compressing the crust and pushing down through the mantle where magma forms. As glaciers melt and their volume decrease, they exert downward pressure, which allow the rock beneath to melt into magma more quickly, and the increase in magma has a substantial impact on the volcanic activity. Though the global warming frees some of the land in Iceland and increased the agriculture in Iceland, the melting of glacier will likely lead to losses in some of the biggest tourist attractions, the glacier and their related activity. And also, more extreme weather will caused by the climate change, which can influence the country's tourism and its economy. In order to solve these issues, we can choose riding bike instead of driving.